Hey folks, this is Rob from Learn by the Drop, a place to learn Drupal. And this lesson is part of a special series that I'm doing called Getting the Most Out of Dreamhost Web Hosting. Now, I use Dreamhost to host all of my Drupal sites. It works very well for me, and so I want to show you some of the basic steps that you take on Dreamhost to help get your Drupal site up and running. You can find all the videos in the series at learnbythedrop.com/Dreamhost, and you can save $50 off of a new Dreamhost account if you use the code LearnDrupal2010. That's LearnDrupal2010, and you can save $50 off of a Dreamhost account that starts at about $8.95 a month for their shared hosting packages, and you really get a lot for that $8.95 a month. Okay, in this lesson I'm going to show you how to create a cron job using the Dreamhost web panel interface. What a cron job will do for you on your Drupal site is it will execute cron, and cron on your Drupal site is something that is utilized to do a wide variety of things, including index the site for search and check for site updates, pull feeds if you're using the aggregator or one of the feed modules such as feeds or feed API, and basically it's a very important part of the functioning of the Drupal site. So the first thing we're going to do is select the Dreamhost web panel. We're going to go down to the goodies section and select cron jobs. And I already have some cron jobs set up, but we're just going to select add new cron job. I'm going to have this run on my shell user, which is the first user that you'll set up will be your shell user. I'm going to call the title of it very clickable. You can have the email, you can have the output of the cron emailed to you. I usually don't, so I'm going to leave that blank. And then the command to run. And this particular command is a command that I use for some of my other sites, and I'm just going to show it to you right here. And you can use this, and it should work just fine. The only thing you need to do is substitute your domain and your cron location. For a Drupal site, it will be at the top level of the domain /cron.php. The next thing you need to tell it is when to run cron. In this case, you can run it hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, or you could set up a custom time. I usually run cron hourly on my site. I'm just going to click add, and then in your list you should see your cron job, and that's it. Every hour the cron should run on your Drupal site. If you want to check if cron is running on your Drupal site, you can go to your site and go to recent log entries, and then go to filter log messages and select cron. And here we can see the times that cron ran. So again, I have cron running every hour. I don't see any errors. That's good. Or warnings. If I click on that, it will just give me a little bit more information about how cron ran. And it's that simple. So like I said in the beginning, if you use cron on a regular basis, among other things, it'll check for updates to different modules. It will help index the site for search. It will also pull RSS feeds if you're using the aggregator module. It's a very, very key part of the health of your Drupal site to run cron on a regular basis. Alright, well, thanks for watching this lesson on my How to Get the Most Out of Dreamhost series on cron and getting a cron job set up for your Drupal site. You can find all the videos in this series at learnbythedrop.com/Dreamhost. Dreamhost, and you can save $50 on a new Dreamhost web hosting account if you use the code LearnDrupal2010 when you're signing up. And there'll also be a link on the Dreamhost page at Learn by the Drop that you could click on to get that discount as well, and that will save you $50 on a shared hosting plan that gives you everything you need to get started with a Drupal site on Dreamhost. So thanks for watching, and best of luck to you in all of your